Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Time Doctor subscription. The first thing I want you to do is actually log into your account, come on the dashboard. If you're on the app, you just click on this icon. It will take you to your dashboard. It will open up a new tab in your browser. Now remember, to do this, you need to be the company owner. Okay, do it from the company owner account. Come to the top, click on settings, and then you click here on billing. Right now, here you'll actually see this option right here to cancel account. You just go ahead and click on this, and it will ask you if you're sure you want to cancel the account. Go ahead and say that you are sure. Now, let me show you another thing. If your account is within the 14 days trial period or no card, okay, has been added in the billing page, the cancel account section will actually not be visible. There's no need to request for cancellation, but if you've added a card, make sure you cancel. Okay, and that is how to cancel Time Doctor subscription.